Now the third and final method I'm going to show you is how to brew your tea when you don't have any of those accessories. So literally all you need is a teacup, a saucer if you really want, and a teaspoon. So what I'm going to do is brew, for this take I'm brewing our orange spiced fusion with black bush tea. Again, the black bush tea containing vitamin A, C, E and zinc. So you get all your vitamins in for the day. So depending how strong you want it, you'll use half a teaspoon or a full teaspoon. I don't want it too strong, so I'm going to use half a teaspoon. So just half a teaspoon of tea into my teacup, and I've boiled my water in my kettle, and I'm just going to pour my hot water in. Now, this form of brewing loose leaf tea requires a little bit more of patience, because you're actually going to allow your tea to brew, give it enough time, and you're going to allow the leaves to seep down to the bottom. So in this moment, while you're waiting for your tea to brew, you just have a few moments of meditation. You take in the aroma of your tea infusion and you just wait. So it usually takes 3 to 4 minutes for the leaves to seep, but you can already see that most of my leaves have fallen down to the bottom. I don't have that many left.